Hello students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today we will discuss the topic nutrition in animal for class 7. Nutrition in animal. Nutrition in animal is a topic Nutrition in animal is a topic which will be go in a study today. Introduction. We have to learn about some topics. First one is nutrition in animals. Second one is steps for nutrition in animals. Third one is different ways of taking food. Fourth, digestion. Fifth, digestion in humans. Sixth, human digestive system and its parts. Seventh one is the mouth and buccal cavity. Eighth, teeth and types of teeth. Ninth, tongue. 10th, digestion in grass eating animals. 11th, amoeba. 12th, feeding and digestion in amoeba. Explanation of topic. I will explain this topic one by one. First one is nutrition in animals. Definition. What is the definition of animal? We will study the definition of nutrition in animal in this topic. The process of taking in food by an animal and its utilization in the body is called animal nutrition. Second topic is steps for nutrition in animals. That means how can we explain steps for nutrition in animals? There are some steps which we have to explain. First step is ingestion. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. I repeat it. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. Second point is digestion. The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion. This one is complex substance and this one is simpler substances. The complex substances break up into simpler substances. Is it clear? Third point is absorption. The process in which the digested food passes through the intestinal wall into bloodstream is called absorption. Note it, absorption. That means first one is ingestion and second one is digestion. Digested food is absorbed by the intestinal wall. Okay? The process in which, I repeat it, the process in which the digested food passes through the intestinal wall into bloodstream is called absorption. Fourth point is assimilation. After that, absorbed food is assimilate. The process in which the absorbed food is taken in by body cells and used for energy, growth and repair is called assimilation. That means absorbed food is taken in by body cells and used for energy, growth and repair is called assimilation. Okay. Fifth point is egestion. The process in which the undigested food is removed from the body is called egestion. Steps for nutrition in animals are completed. Third point, different ways of taking food. I will explain different ways of taking food. How animal can take their food. Animals, types of animals, food consumed, mode of food intake. Frogs, food consumed, insects, mode of food intake, swallowing, sticky tongue. Earthworm, note it, earthworm, food consumed, decaying matter, mode of food intake, swallowing, muscular pharynx. Butterfly, nectar. Spider, insects, mode of food intake, breeding. Amoeba, tiny food particles, mode of food intake, engulfing. Bees, nectar, mode of food intake, suck. Snail, food consumed, grass, algae, mode of food intake, escarping. Ants, food consumed, insects, plant material, mode of food intake, biting. Housefly, food consumed, decaying matter, mode of food intake, suck. Lice, food consumed, blood, mode of food intake, sucking blood. Animals, hydra, food consumed, prey, mode of food intake, sting cells. Snake, food consumed, flesh, mode of food intake, swallow. Starfish, food consumed, shellfish, oyster, mode of food intake, pops out. Your topic is completed. We will study further topic in the next class. Thank you.